Oh, yeah. Hey, say, look what I got. I got all these. These are little slugs that I make the diffusers out of, like for the Harbor Freight, and the mixing tube for the Harbor Freight. I get actually 2 mixing tubes out of one of these cuts. These are what's called blanks, or slugs. But my compression mandrel crapped out on me. Yep, So I got to make another one. Yeah, I'm making a mandrel out of titanium. A compression mandrel, to be exact, for, you know, these little guys. So hopefully I'll have all this done and up on eBay by Tuesday. I will let you guys know. But right now, I've got to make a mandrel. The release date on the diffusers, be sure and stay to the end of this video. I'm in the process of making this video, so I don't know what's going to happen, if I'm going to have another failure with this, which I seriously doubt it, or something else. But stay to the end of the video, and I'll probably be able to tell you exactly when the release of the diffusers are going to be, along with the mixing tubes. And hopefully I'll even have them up on eBay for you guys to go after. Stay tuned. Watch to the end of the video, please. Well, I'll tell you, the life of research and development. The columns, oh, by the way, the diffusers came out great. The columns, which also came out fine until I decided to dye them. I was going to make them this beautiful emerald color, and it worked. Only problem is, in the process of dyeing, I had to, you know, it's temperature-based dye, so I had to heat it up. And my part swole. So, no more green columns. They're gonna have to end up being white. I think you guys can live with that, hopefully. Anyway, work in progress. These will be out this week, I promise. So I'm gonna start over with the white ones, and leave them white, and then put them up on eBay, and you guys can go after them. Anyway, so much for the green. I really wish these green ones would have came out. This is a awesome emerald looking green. I'm really kind of proud of it, but didn't work. Damn it. Oh well. Okay, I finally got these things done and packaged up. So, by the way, today's the 3rd of August, and just to give you an idea of when I finally got these things done and packaged up. Now, they're not all packaged. I'm in the process of doing that, but it is up on eBay. And I'll put a link down below, the title of this piece, which is Diffuser Mixing Tube Kit Aluminum for Harbor Freight Powder Coat Gun. I'm not too good on doing links. Actually, the last link that I got, like for the Eastwood, that was sent to me by Bruce. I might be able to get it right this time, I don't know, but there will eventually be a direct link down in the description box down below. If not, you can just go off this title and that will bring it up on eBay. But these sell for $47. Now, they are higher than the Eastwood because there's, well, more to it. There's an extra part in there, the mixing tube, and also the machining is a lot more, which kind of surprised me, but yeah, the Harbor Freight requires a lot more machining in order to get these things to fit, and I have to use different materials. Anyway, it just, machine time just crunched me. So yeah, these are 47 bucks. Of course, the Eastwood is still 20. That won't change. And you know, I'm not going to go up on my prices. If anything, I might go down if I ever get CNCs, which I don't foresee that anywhere in the near future. So they're done, and they're ready for you guys to use. If you like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and go ahead and hit that notification bell so you know when my next video is coming out. And I will see you guys next week, hopefully Monday, maybe Thursday, I don't know. But I'll do a installation video on these, even though I do have that in some of my previous videos, but I'll just make it more accessible. Matter of fact, I'll put a card right up here, a link to a video on how to install the mixing tube on this guy right here, the Harbor Freight. Anyway, take care, guys. Thanks for watching.